What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick video. I actually had this problem a few times. Is a Cricut roller wheel or pressure wheel keeps sliding off where it's supposed to be at here. So I'm just going to show you an easy fix to where, I'm just using 2 flathead screwdrivers where you can just pop it back into place. So it shouldn't do it to you anymore. This has happened to me before a while ago, and I just popped it back over. And it took months before it actually went and did this again. This is a very old cutter. So I'm going to probably eventually replace it. I also have another Cricut, the same, an Air Explorer 2. So either pull that out and then replace this one. But I'm just going to show a quick video on this for just an easy fix without replacing it. Because like when I'm running the mat through, it's, making all noises and going off to the side, and I don't want my mat to get off. So I'm going to show you how I fixed it actually, a couple months ago. I'm going to do it again, and then I'm eventually just going to, replace the whole thing. So I'm going to get right into that, pull the camera over and show you how I do it. All right, guys, so it's this one right here. And the way I did this a few months ago, let me see if I can make sure I get the camera up on this. Okay. So actually, I'm going to take this. I'm going to take the screwdriver and pry it up just a little bit. I'm just going to slide it back over. You can see how the rollers actually wore out at this point. And then if you have to, which I'll turn mine on, so you get it while it's rolling. See how it keeps going out? Just lift it back up again. Just light pressure. See if I can get it to spin again. This one's just wore out. There you go, it's back in place. The other one's not. The other one didn't pop off. So now that's back in place. Let's see if I can get it better. And then, like I said, I'm going to end up replacing this. But for the most part, every time I push it back over, it's been staying back in place as long as I lift up on this a little bit. You don't want to go crazy with it. It just wears out over time. The other side didn't wear out, so I'm going to end up actually replacing this. And then I'll do a video on that. So that's just how you move it over without ruining anything. Like I said, don't put crazy pressure on. Just put your screwdriver under, just turn it a little bit so it lifts it up just a tiny bit so you can slide it. Let me hit it for you guys again so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So it's still gonna have like the wobble to it. Gonna move it back over here again. And it should stay over there, but if you have to, get something underneath there to tighten it up. But mine's not that bad yet, where it'll just stay going with that, wobbly roll on it. That was just a quick video on, how you could just fix your Cricut roller just for the time being till you could end up getting a replacement. Like I said, don't be scared. Just don't bend the bar up too high. Just bend it up just enough that you could slide it back over. And I mean, that's if you go into a pinch. I only use the Cricut for basically doing designs and things like that. Like I said, I have another Cricut, but if you don't have one, you don't have the time or the money at the point to, spend, you just pop it up with a screwdriver and pop it back over before you cut something. So that was just a quick video. I hope it helps anybody out. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm keep coming out with some more of this content. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.